in the process of building a stairway up to a third floor loft. It originally just had this ladder, was the only option to get up there. So we're in the process of building a small landing and trying to keep with the style of the house. Over on this side, we're just installing the steps. So just started out with 4 by 12 piece of pine and sanded it down and mortised in the steps. We just laid it out like you would a regular stairway with a square and trammer points so that you stay consistent on the step and the rise. And then I just transferred it to where I wanted the step and built a jig to clamp on each one of them and route out with my router. Had to assemble everything all at once. It was a little bit of a challenge to do, and now I'm just starting on the handrail. I'm now finished with all the handrail and the backing of the steps, attaching the posts on the side horses kind of all the way around, and then established my height of 36 inches, and actually kind of held these up with squeeze clamps to get my marks. Actually kind of put this piece on to hide the screw holes and stuff so it's attached well.